Just look around our local communities, from feed stores to local farmers, production, agriculture. Every road you drive down, you're seeing that. And we need people to step into those roles. We need young people today to step into those positions to be our future leaders of tomorrow.
Agriculture is an extremely large portion of our global economy. And so for this degree to be able to provide that background to the students and be able to see the connections that are made in such a warm and welcoming atmosphere as Columbia, Kentucky, it's a great piece that I think would be a wonderful opportunity for a lot of people.
If you're wanting a degree in agriculture but you're unsure on the specifics, start with agribusiness because it touches every single part of the sector. People in agribusiness are dealing with engineering. People in agribusiness are dealing face-to-face in retail with customers. They're dealing on farms, but it's not just that. It's everything that encompasses the industry.
As the Dean of the School of Business and Communication at Lindsey Wilson University, I am so excited that we are giving students an opportunity to obtain a degree in agribusiness where that they can serve their local and their rural communities. At Lindsey Wilson University, we are launching the next generation of agricultural leadership right in the heart of Kentucky.